twins. Our readers have been asking about identical twins and whether you if two sets of twins marry another set of twins, if they get married, will the resulting child be identical? That's a good question. That came from George in Georgia. It's amazing. Anyway, let me tell you, the parents are still going to have the same 3 in 1,000 chance of having identical twins like any other parent. If DNA in identical twins is not identical, which it is not, and their DNA changes over time, then the chances of parents having identical twins is the same as regular parents, for the same reasons I'll begin to state. So first off, twins aren't as identical as you think. Crazy, right? Anyway, some researchers say that twins can start their lives with differences. As an example of that would be the fingerprints. Since they change when the child touches the embryonic sac, right here, it's in the mother. Twins seem to be identical, but in reality, they're not. One twin can be born with missing genes on certain chromosomes, which implies the difference between the two. Not to mention, twins split randomly. My assistant, Olivia Durbin, will be showing you how. In the article, do twins have the same DNA? It says identical twins come from the same fertilized egg and thus share identical profiles. Though identical twins share very similar genes, identical they are not. Identical twins come from the same egg and they split randomly, like Olivia just showed. Although they come from the same egg, they're not identical due to random splitting of the egg. Over time, parents' genetics change too. Researchers say that the difference in identical twins change due to age and the environment. They also say that the genomes or a complete set of genes that you were born with change and evolve as you get closer to death. Changes in the genetic level can also depend on the diet and the choices they make in their lifetime. DNA also changes as well. Specific changes in DNA are called copy number variations. Scientists have yet to find out if they truly change at the embryonic level or as environmental changes. As twins grow older and experience different environments, the twins become more genetically different, as well as their personality. DNA can also be turned on and off, like a light switch. Sounds crazy, but researchers say that they do this in order for the cells to react and change quickly to their environment. Like if it's suddenly, instead of being 70 degrees inside the cell, it turns up the heat to 100 degrees, they need to turn off. This process is known as gene regulation. As you can see from the points above, the likelihood of identical twins getting married and having another set of identical twins is the same as regular parents' probability of having identical twins. Identical twins are not identical, but they are similar. Say that 5 times fast. The parent will also not be identical due to changes on the genetics over time and the environment. Not to mention the egg splits randomly. Nothing makes it happen. It can happen whenever you eat a piece of food randomly. The DNA also turns on and off to react quickly to the environment around them. Identical twins will still be 3 in 1,000, like mentioned earlier. There is no specific reason that triggers the production of twins, except they randomly happen. Tune in next time to Talks with Cody to learn about the electricity system that causes your body to grasp, ungrasp, and clench up if too much electricity is in. Thank you. Have a good day.